So today both Bennett Construction and Shaymurta Precast have a presentation prepared to inform the students of what they do in terms of their company. Then they have employees from their company coming in, such as engineers, quantity surveyors, architects, people in the sciences and that, where our students are going to have time to speak individually to these people in these careers to find out about the career, that it's not just hard hats and steel toe cap boots, it's engineers, quantity surveyors, architects, all the sciences, all the labs, all the admin, down to accountants and all that kind of thing.
Well, I suppose Shaymurta's, we've been involved a long time in trying to promote construction into schools, and it's great to be able to give back and highlight many roles and many new roles coming involved in construction, such as ESG, a lot of the sort of planning, and also the new courses that are available as well that work alongside business as sort of students are taking their next steps into future careers.
So we're here in Columba College today in Killucan, and today is a fantastic opportunity to speak to someone directly about what they do. We found in the past that if they know someone who works in construction, they know a little bit about it, but if they don't really understand it. And there's a perception, and I suppose today we want to change that perception, and that it is a great career. So there's a huge amount of opportunities and a huge amount of roles available. I think overall is about 9% of the construction industry are women, and we're definitely looking to change that. And again, it's perception. You know, there's a number of women here today and we're all working in construction, and it is to give further detail on that there is a role here for everybody.